Hey everybody, bought a bunch of shutters. As you can see, what we're going to do is we're going to sand them down, paint them, kind of repair them. These are old antique shutters. You can see at the top there it needs a little bit of work, missing a few of the slats. We're going to turn them into Baja shutters. We're going to put them on the front of the house to add a little bit of curb appeal. All right, here's what it looks like after we did all that work. You'll notice it's been a few weeks. It's after Thanksgiving, we got our Christmas lights up. But all in all, here it is. The video that I was using when I was attaching it to the wall or to the house, I lost the footage. So what I did is I just used mason screws and then attached it on a hinge so they can move as we need to. So we're only able, out of the 7 shutters that we purchased, we were only able to get 4 that matched fairly close. They're not all identical. Some of them still are a little bit broken.